Wonder how to render properly. Well, no, actually how to go from gray to color. Well, this tutorial is for you. I'm sorry, that was so bad. So what you're gonna do is you're obviously gonna need gray, but basically, you basically just render like you would normally do, but a gray. I hope you already had a drawing, because like, this is not a drawing. This is not a drawing tutorial, this is color. Anyways, just basic render, I guess. Okay, so now that when you're done with your coloring, you're gonna go in a layer and pick color and, you know, yeah, you can render peacefully. Okay. Maybe we go with like a more saturated color. I'm gonna go with this color because, yeah, whatever.
Permis social batogid but you basically can fix some of the gen duging be going back on the grayscale layer day.
Thanks a lot for watching. I hope this tutorial helped. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more tutorials in the future.